Hi, in this video we will be talking about how to make your relationship goals a reality. Watch this video to the end to set relationship goals. Welcome back to Relationship Facts. Crafting a relationship that feels like a living fantasy involves a blend of understanding, effort, and creative thinking. Here are key strategies and insights to help you make your relationship goals a reality. Define your shared vision. Start by defining what a fantasy relationship means to both you and your partner. This vision should be a shared conception, not just individual desires placed side by side. Discuss and outline your long-term and short-term goals, including emotional, physical, and practical aspects. This might involve frequent communication about dreams and aspirations, a commitment to mutual growth, personally and as a couple, regular reassessment of goals to adapt to life's changes. Communicate openly and regularly. Open communication is the foundation of any strong relationship. It involves more than just talking about daily activities. It means sharing your thoughts, feelings, and vulnerabilities. Techniques to enhance communication include scheduled check-ins that allow both partners to share feelings and concerns, learning and using each other's communication styles effectively, practicing active listening to truly understand each other's perspectives, cultivate emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy is the core of a deep, fulfilling relationship. Building this intimacy requires being vulnerable with each other, sharing fears, joys, and insecurities, supporting each other unconditionally in times of stress or joy, creating a safe space where both partners feel heard and valued. Keep the romance alive. Romance shouldn't fade after the honeymoon phase. Keeping the spark alive is essential for a fantasy-like relationship and can be achieved through regular date nights and spontaneous romantic gestures, celebrating milestones and creating new traditions, maintaining physical closeness through affection and intimacy. Resolve conflicts constructively. Disagreements are inevitable, but resolving them constructively strengthens the relationship. Effective conflict resolution strategies include addressing issues as they arise, avoiding the buildup of resentment, focusing on the problem at hand rather than attacking each other's character, finding compromises that honor both partners' needs and desires. Grow together. Growing individually and as a couple ensures the relationship remains dynamic and fulfilling. Ways to grow together include pursuing shared interests or hobbies, encouraging each other's personal goals and ambitions, engaging in new experiences together, keeping the relationship exciting and fresh. Balance independence and togetherness. A fantasy relationship respects both togetherness and independence. Balancing these aspects involves encouraging each other to pursue personal passions and friendships outside the relationship, spending quality time together that is truly engaging and mutually enjoyable, maintaining healthy boundaries that support personal growth and relationship health. Practice appreciation and gratitude. Expressing appreciation and gratitude fortifies the bonds of a relationship. Simple ways to practice this include regularly acknowledging and thanking each other for support and love, celebrating each other's achievements, both big and small, practicing mindfulness to appreciate the present moments spent together. Deal with external pressures. External pressures such as family expectations, financial stress, and social obligations can strain a relationship. Managing these pressures requires unified fronts in dealing with external influences. Effective stress management techniques practiced both individually and together. Clear communication about boundaries with external parties. Commit to lifelong learning. Finally, treat your relationship as a journey of lifelong learning. This includes continuously learning about each other's evolving selves, attending workshops or counseling to enhance relationship skills, being adaptable and open to change as life evolves. Building a fantasy-like relationship is an ongoing process that demands both personal commitment and mutual collaboration. To dive deeper, we'll explore advanced strategies that further enrich your connection and help turn your relationship goals into reality. Master emotional regulation. Emotional regulation is key to maintaining stability and respect within your relationship. This involves learning to identify and manage your emotions before they lead to destructive behaviors, developing strategies such as deep breathing, meditation, or temporary disengagement to cool down when emotions run high, encouraging each other to express emotions in a healthy, constructive manner. Nurture trust and security. A fantasy relationship thrives on trust and security. Building a secure foundation involves being consistent in your words and actions to build reliability, ensuring transparency and honesty to maintain trust, protecting each other's vulnerabilities rather than exploiting them for personal gain. Enhance sexual intimacy. Sexual intimacy is a vital component of a romantic relationship, requiring ongoing attention and openness. Discuss and explore sexual desires and boundaries without judgment. Regularly schedule intimate moments to ensure physical connection. Foster mutual respect. Respect is crucial in a relationship, and fostering it means valuing each other's opinions, even in disagreements. Showing consideration for each other's feelings and needs. Acknowledging each other's strengths and accepting weaknesses. Invest in quality time. Quality time is not just about quantity but the value of moments spent together. Plan activities that both partners enjoy, enhancing shared experiences. Use technology-free time to truly connect and be present with one another. Make everyday routines special by finding joy in the simple moments. 16. Manage finances together. Financial stress can undermine the strongest relationships. Managing it together involves open discussions about financial goals and fears, joint decision-making on large purchases or investments, regular financial planning sessions to keep your economic goals on track. Support each other's careers. Supporting each other's professional lives can greatly enhance relationship satisfaction. Be each other's cheerleader in career aspirations and challenges. Help balance work-life pressures, ensuring that career demands do not overpower the relationship. Celebrate professional achievements as shared successes. Develop a support network. A strong external support network can provide a safety net for your relationship. Cultivate friendships with other couples or individuals who share similar values. Engage in community activities together to strengthen social bonds. Rely on trusted friends or family for advice during tough times. Handle health and well-being. Maintaining physical and mental health is essential for a vibrant relationship. Encourage healthy habits together like exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep. Support each other through health challenges, showing empathy and patience. Discuss mental health openly, and seek professional help if needed. Celebrate and reinvent your relationship. Keeping your relationship fresh involves celebrating its evolution and embracing changes. Create rituals to celebrate your relationship's milestones and anniversaries. Stay curious about each other, discovering new facets of your partner's personality and interests. Innovate on past traditions or create new ones to suit your evolving relationship. Creating a relationship that feels like a fantasy is about much more than infatuation or short-lived passion. It requires deep dedication to nurturing a dynamic, mutually satisfying partnership that grows over time. By embracing these strategies, you and your partner can forge a connection that not only endures but also inspires and fulfills, making every shared moment valuable and every challenge a step toward greater unity. In doing so, your relationship becomes not just a safe harbor, but a continual adventure that you both are passionate to explore. Continuing from where we left off, let's delve into additional strategies that can help transform your relationship into an enriching and enduring partnership. Practice forgiveness. Forgiveness is a cornerstone in any long-term relationship. It involves understanding that mistakes are a part of being human, communicating hurt feelings and working through grievances without holding grudges, releasing bitterness and resentment to make room for peace and renewal in the relationship. Explore personal growth together. A relationship that encourages personal growth can lead to profound mutual satisfaction. This can be achieved by setting individual goals that inspire and challenge each partner, while also aligning with shared goals. Attending workshops or classes together, whether related to skills, hobbies, or personal development. Supporting each other's journeys towards self-improvement and celebrating each step forward. Maintain a sense of humor. Laughter is a powerful tool in maintaining a lighthearted and joyful relationship. Don't take life too seriously. Allow space for humor even in challenging times. Share moments of joy and laughter, whether through comedy, funny memories, or playful interactions. Use humor to diffuse tension and conflicts, reminding each other of the joy in your relationship. Cultivate compassion and empathy. Strive to understand your partner's point of view, especially during disagreements. Show compassion during external stresses. Be the calming presence for one another. Regularly put yourself in your partner's shoes to understand their emotional needs and respond accordingly. Regularly reevaluate relationship dynamics. This involves being open to changing old patterns that no longer serve the relationship. Regularly discussing roles and responsibilities to ensure they are fair and agreeable. Adapting to each other's changes and growth, ensuring the relationship remains relevant and supportive. Engage in shared creative projects. Engaging in creative activities together can enhance connection and provide a sense of accomplishment. Take on a home improvement project, garden together, or start an art project. Write a story, play music, or cook a complex recipe together. Creative collaboration fosters a sense of teamwork and pride in shared achievements. Strengthen physical connection. Physical touch is a powerful communicator of love and affection. Incorporate more non-sexual touch like hugging, holding hands, and cuddling. Understand and respect each other's needs for physical space or closeness. Use touch to provide comfort, convey love, and maintain a physical connection. Building a relationship that resembles a fantasy requires more than just love. It demands respect, patience, and a willingness to grow both individually and together. These strategies are designed to deepen your connection, enrich your shared experiences, and create a sustainable partnership that feels like a fantasy brought to life. As you implement these principles, remember that every relationship is unique. Adapt these suggestions to fit your specific circumstances and dynamics. By continuously striving to understand and fulfill each other's needs, you cultivate a thriving relationship that not only survives the tests of time but also provides endless joy and fulfillment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on relationship facts. See you next time.